everyone, my name is Shynie M, and today we're going to answer the question, how do we name drugs based on drug nomenclature system? Nomenclature implies assigning proper name or names to a particular compound so that its study, marketing, or use may become systematic. Most drugs available in the market have at least 3 different names. These are chemical name, non-proprietary name, and proprietary name. When we say chemical name, this is a name given to a drug in accordance with the rules of chemical nomenclature established by naming conventions like International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry or Chemical Abstract Service. The chemical name is useful to the chemist, scientist, or technical personnel as it provides precise arrangement of atoms and atomic groups in the molecule and the chemical composition of the drug. On the other hand, non-proprietary name is a short name given to a drug that is not subject to proprietary rights. Non-proprietary name is easy to speak and spell and is often designated to identify a particular drug entity. Non-proprietary name replaces the long and wieldy chemical name for a pharmaceutical substance and is frequently used in textbooks and other discussions in pharmacology. While when we say proprietary name, this is a name given to a drug by the pharmaceutical firm which sells the drug, although it may not have manufactured the drug itself. Thus, a single drug may be sold under many proprietary name by different firms, even a single drug having different formulations.